This is number 10 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi 3. My brother, how's it?
Sure, how's it, man?
Sharp thanks, man. How do you feel about the game today?
I'm very bored, bro. The game, I wanna, like, the way they're playing, you know? Coach Harane, I feel able to chance. But those guys, they failed to use it.
They didn't take it, yeah.
They didn't take it, yeah. That's what they give warning, like. So, I think they must pull up their socks, bro. We tried by all means. We tried second half, last minute, but it was too late for us to score a goal.
Exactly,
those guys, they got chance, but they don't use that chance.
Yeah, so
you can even see they are leaking.
Even Mabasa, tried to score, but it was very bad.
They tried to score, but Mabasa, that pound-to-pound striker, like who's waiting for these wingers to Urubamufe ball, like. So at the end, Hakere next. You understand? Hakere next, and like especially most I think central midfield. They were supposed to have Makaula, I don't know, Rukai, or team at least. Or that Rasibocha guy and Dlamini, the style of play.
No combination.
You see, even the first half, what we call 3 goals, it was hard for us to mark those guys because we always mark with defense, with back 4L.
And then sometimes,
those guys, they were clever. They know Roto or attacker.
Even Van Rooy on the other side.
Van Rooy on the other side, and those guys, they were clever. And at the end, Bakira chance understand? We can't blame goalkeeper. Those guys were given a chance.
They didn't use it.
About Spanish chance.
No, let's hope like
those guys, they just like, especially Kumvuit. He's losing a lot of balls. And that guy doesn't have an age. He's always like.
Maybe it's not your material. Who knows?
No, he's our material, but he have to pull up his socks. And this thing of Mutuam Pushanyana, he's always diving like ice pan.
And the referees, the referees won't support you every
sometimes
time.
They always see, okay, this guy, when they get the chance, when Anna follow, you always fall. So they don't give you a chance. You understand that? They why to or Robert fast. And at the end, what's going to happen? They score us. Bro.
Exactly. No, thank you.
It was hard for us.
It was very hard.
We tried, last minute.
First half, it was tough.
And at the moment when you leave, it's like you guys, Kaiser Chiefs fans, leave a break. It's like you got dead break. The moment when you leave,
you scored
3 guys.
And
the other one, it was offside. I saw it was offside. It was fine. So I just have Urike Checker. The penalty one. The penalty one, I didn't show it.
You're not sure about it,
I'm not sure about it. So I have
we'll check it in the highlights.
I know the referees. I'm better than these referees.
Oh, thank you very much, brother. All the best.